is 10, or completion. Let's go back to our number line. Notice you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 being completion. And of course, 1 plus 0 is just back to 1. If you notice, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equals 55. And 5 plus 5 equals 10, giving you 10 numbers without the 0 equaling ultimately 10. Now notice we can just continue to walk up the number line. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We're going to stop at 19 because the square root of 361, or 360 degrees in U, equals 19. And of course, 1 plus 9 equals 10, or completion. Now, notice we have a 1 and 0 going this way, and we also have a 1 and 0 going this way. So now, this is what it looks like on Earth. Let's see what it looks like in heaven. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Now, let's come back on Earth and see what we have. Notice you have 91, 81, 71, 61, etc. Now, let's use pi as our guide and figure out what we have left. Notice 31415 and 31415, or 3.1415. Now we can use the Jewish menorah as our guide and connect what we have left. This is pi going this way, and this is pi going this way. "91 plus 19 is 110. 81 plus 18 is 99. 71 plus 17 is 88. And 61 plus 16 is 77. And then the next number you get is, of course, your pi zone. "110 can be split into 55 and 55. Of course, if you mirrored that 1, 1, 0, you would have 0, 1, 1, which is the first numbers of the Fibonacci sequence. The next number we come to is 99. There are 99 names of Allah in Islam. 88 is, of course, the grand piano, or 88 keys. And now we get to 77 and entering the pi zone. The holy name of God, or Yahweh, or Jehovah, was symbolized as pi 7, pi 7. This is Yahweh. It's called the Tetragrammaton. Notice, if you mirror this, you have pi 7, or Yahweh. We're going to go into the pi zone now and connect what we have left. 51 plus 15 is 66, or root 66. 41 plus 14 would be our magic number 55. And then, of course, all we have left in our pi zone is 3 and 3 coming together to be 6. That's also the number before the decimal place. Let's walk out of our pi zone and see what else we have. 12, 21, 11, 11, and 10, and 01. "12 plus 21 is 33. Jesus Christ lived 33 years after performing 33 miracles. Water unfreezes at 33 degrees. There are 33 degrees in Freemasonry, and the sun's core rotates once every 33 Earth days. 11 and 11 coming together make 22. Or, of course, 11, 11, the famous time prompt phenomenon. 22 divided by the 7 days of creation equals 3.142, a rough approximation of pi. The next is 10 and 01, making 11. Let's step back a second. 110, 99, 88, 77, 66, 55, 6, 33, 22, and 11. Accordingly, this number, rationally, should be 44. Let's look at 11. 11 is, of course, just an equal sign on its side, or perched upright, excuse me. And 11 is, of course, L, which is a name for God, and even, or God even, or the Garden of Eden. And what we just walked into was the Garden of Eden. Of course, who is in the Garden of Eden but Adam and Eve? Or Adam, the odd numbers, and Eve, the even numbers. Adam, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and Eve being 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now notice, where we should have had a 44 is a 6. If you add 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, you get 44. And 44 divided by 14 is 3.142, a close approximation of pi. Of course, there was 14 stations of the cross, or way of the cross, in the Passion of Jesus. And in the Egyptian myth, Set cut Osiris into 14 sections. So 44 divided by 14, once again, is 3.142. Now, let's look at this 55 again in our pi zone. 31415, pi going this way, and 31415, pi going this way, or pi mirrored. 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 equals 14, or 5. And so you have a pi going this way and a pi going this way, or 14 or 5 going this way, 14 or 5 going this way. Let's take those two pi's and put them together. This is the Vesca piscis, or Pisces, and it's called the bladder of the fish, or the almond, or the golden womb. And of course, you see two circles coming together, or two pies coming together, give you the Jesus fish. But we were searching for the Holy Grail. So notice 51413 going this way, 31415 going this way, or 5 and 5 ultimately. Of course, that 5 and that 5 are mirrored. So really, what we have is this, the Holy Grail. So the question is, what is the cup from which Jesus drank? And the answer is his own hands. Jesus drank from his own hands. We are the divine ones. My name is Marty Leeds. I have a book for sale called Pi, The Great Work. You can get it at createspace.com, 371-7383, or at amazon.com. Thank you.